Y'all see that? Bouncy, natural looking bomb. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. There's a reason behind the bonnet. Yes, we're going to install a wig together. Remember I did a little shorts that says, I think I'm going to start doing some hair installments. Beauty and hair goes hand in hand, right? Makes sense. Makes sense. Yes. So I'm going to be installing this Nadula 7x5 lace wig. It's of a yaki texture. It is invisible lace. Definitely worn this before, clearly. It has pre-bleached knots. Yes, it does. She's freshly washed. You can wear it as glueless, definitely. But I'm going to do a little extra security just because I want to. You know what I mean? It is 150 density and it is 10 inches long. I tied the thing behind. Look at the knots. So good. And it's very affordable. I actually bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video of any way, shape, or form, but I just felt like this wig deserved to be highlighted on my channel because it's that good. If you want to see how I install this wig with all the mistakes, the mishaps, the bumps, and the bruises, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing I want to do is to ensure that my forehead has no products on it. I actually did my skincare earlier, a couple hours ago, and I just want to make sure that my forehead is clean so that when I'm spraying and gluing and tacking and melting, the product doesn't interact with the moisturizer and the serums and all that good stuff that I had on my face. So I'm going to clean that off. I just take some alcohol right here and just clean my forehead. As you can see, I'm using a brown wig cap. I'm not going to do the whole glue down. No, we're going to keep the cap like so. I'm going to take the olive oil super hold wig cap spray and I'm just going to spray around the perimeters of my forehead. And I'm going to do 2 layers. And I'm going to stop about here because I don't want the glue to go all around the head because it's a 7x5. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some more. It's a bit tacky. So I'm going to go ahead again and spray. I'm not an expert, just so you guys know. No way, shape, or form. I'm still in my learning stages. If some mousse, so just in case my hair is getting unruly, this mousse, it's so good. It's the Kiss Color Care Foam Mousse Flex Style and Hold. It's so good. So a very great mousse to use. So I'm trying to move quickly because you want to just put that wig down, some wig clips, and just push back the hair. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install right now. You see all that extra flyaway? I'm not an expert. I'm going to show you all the mistakes that I make when I'm installing a wig. Like, nowhere near perfect. All that extra hair. We're going to get rid of that. Pull that hair back. I'm just going to put some more here so that it stays down. And do I need it to stay in this direction? I feel like I'm gonna lift it, and yes. All right, tucking that wig down. And I'm going to take another clip and I'm going to pull this back just so we get the hair down properly. As you can see, this part is lifted. This already had a parting area, so I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut a little bit of that lace off. Just a little bit, not too much. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to go and spray this side again. And I'm going to just let that lay. So as you can see, I have a little extra here at the end right here. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that again. Get those flyaways out the way. I'm going to just go ahead and lay down. All right, clean up the areas that I don't want glue to be. Got this off of the TikTok shop. It's called the Frontal Queen. It's given laid and slayed. So I'm going to put some of this on the front of my hair to spray some in the cap. All right, and I'm going to take the edge of this and I'm going to melt my lace front so that it feels like it's coming from my scalp. Okay, we're trying to give scalp. I'm going to take my, so it doesn't matter if this part is not laid down properly, that part will not be shown in my head, so I'm not pressed about that part. And this side is going to be covered as well, so I'm not again pressed about this side of the hair as much. When it comes to wig installment, you need to make it very professional looking, but I'm just showing you because nobody really comes and show the little struggles that we have, you know, with installing a wig. And the part, as far as the part is concerned, I created this part for myself because the wig was originally a center part. So I am the one who actually turned it into like one of those side part. I'm going to wait 30 minutes before I take this off. So while I'm allowing it to like do its thing, melt and whatnot, I'm going to get ready to start putting some cute little curls in the hair. And we're just going to go ahead and brush out the rest of the hair. It is very soft. It does not tangle at all. It doesn't shed unless you mess with trimming. That's as with every other hair. As long as you put scissors in it, it kind of give it the highest chance of shedding. But there's like minimal. If there's shedding, there is minimal. It's nothing that's going to mess up your home or anything like that. So of course, I'm trying to lay it in the position that I want it to. And the top feels a little bulky, so we're going to address that. It is properly installed, so there shouldn't be any reason for any bumps. I'm going to take a little bit of frizz, what is it called? Frizz, say goodbye to frizz hair. And I'm going to tame the top a little bit, just to make sure everything stays where it should. All right, and I'm going to take my hot comb that I have had for heating for a while, not long, and I'm going to just, or I could have used the mousse as well, but I'm using the hot comb just to press down those areas. I could actually take some of the wig grip and just go ahead and just make sure that my parting areas are the way that I actually want them to. And on first glance, I feel like I need to layer this area. I am not an expert. Again, I am so not an expert. So, you know, if I make a mistake, I don't want to do too much because I don't want to mess this wig up at all. I haven't used a curling iron in a very long time. Usually when I install my wigs, I don't really do curls. I really don't, to be honest with you. So we're just gonna curl and see where this goes. So I'm taking some here and I'm going to do my tuck tizzle. I don't know what I'm doing. When it comes to curling, I've just gotten so backward when it comes to hair. Usually I'm really good at hair, but I don't know what happened. So I don't know if this is the direction I should be curling. You know, I'm going to spray a little bit. This is not even hairspray, but I'm going to spray the smallest amount. And I'm going to do that one more time. Just taking a few things from the hair. I'm going to let that sit because I want it to really be nice and curly. Especially the front. These two pieces. Look at that hair. So nice. And this is what the curl is going to look like. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest. All right. Oh. Oops. All right. All right. And curl her. Yeah. Big reveal. Let's work on this here and see how it comes out. Does it hold a curl? I think I'm the problem. I think it does hold a curl, but I feel like if I don't do it well, then the evidence of it not holding a curl is going to show. So I don't think it's on the wig. I think it's more on me because like I told you guys, I am not the expert. I just got to get back into doing wigs and I'm going to be good to go. Okay? Like, seriously. And here we go. So this is the wig. Not bad at all. She's cute. Yes. She should have that little bump in the top. Let's take off the band and see what the hair is looking like. I don't know if 30 minutes had passed. Okay, we're gonna comb out the, because we don't want crunchy hair, even if we're gonna do the little swoopy swoop at the side. Okay, all right. Okay, so y'all see that all of this is glue, so we're gonna take that off. So good. And I'm just cleaning off, like I said, my forehead from all the sprays and glues. This is what the wig looks like. I love, like, it looks like I just got a fresh blowout. Okay, and yeah, y'all see that? Bouncy, natural looking bomb. Again, this wig is from Nadula. It is the 7x5 Jackie Bob. It's bomb. It's 10 inches. It has the invisible pre-plucked bleached knots. All right. And the density is 150. And that's on what period. Again, this is not a sponsored video. This is purchased with my money. Okay. And I have had it for probably about a year. I think I bought this a year ago. So yes. Oh my gosh, I love this. Y'all play too much. Y'all play too much. How nice is this? Natural, simple. That girl that does corporate, that girl that has a board meeting, the girl that is going on her first date. Yes, the guy won't be like, you are too fake. This is not that kind of wig. This is not you're fake. You just got too much going on. He wouldn't know if you just got a wash and go or a wash and press or wash and curl. Don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it, because you know it looks good. You know it looks good. See, as you can see, the parting space is very far and wide. Yes, so the lace comes all the way back, so you can part it however you feel, whatever is comfortable for you. Nice everyday wig to go this Thanksgiving when you're going to meet your future husband's parents and family. This is a great wig to wear instead of those bust down Tatiana type of wig. This is a good one where you can wear, and the people them not gonna say, you know, people like to prejudge based on people's preferences. This is going to be a good one for you. All right. Did a real quick beat. Get to comment and subscribe to this channel. Just let me know in the comments below. All right. I will talk to you in the next one. Be blessed. And my friend, I wish above all else that you prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one. Bye.